Hello YouTube, this is Ali from Techschool, and today I'm going to teach you how to make closed captions for free without using any software. All you need is Notepad. You can press Windows R to open up Run and then just open up Notepad. Here you will have to follow a certain pattern that is going to help you write closed captions. So this is how you do it. The first in the first line you're going to write the number 1, and then you're going to have to follow this format. These digits, they represent seconds, these digits represent minutes, and these ones represent hours. Then you're going to put 3 zeros here, and then 2 hyphens, and a greater than sign. It looks kind of like an arrow. And then you use the same format, and then you put the digits according to when you want the caption to end. And here you write the actual text. Hello, this is Techschool, for example. So this is the first line of your closed captions, and it starts when the video hits 7 seconds, and it ends when the video hits 10 seconds. And you can continue this by just going to the next line and then writing 2, and then just copying all of this format, and then just beginning with 10, for example, and ending it with 15, and then writing this is another tech tutorial, let's say, and so on and so forth. So, and what you have to do is, after you're done, you have to save it a certain way. You cannot save it as a txt file. You have to click on all files, and then you have to name it closed captions or whatever you want to name it, and then you have to use the extension .srt, which is the extension for closed captions. And you can click on save, and then you have your subtitles file. You can upload it to YouTube, and you can integrate it with VLC media player to show you closed captions. And this was all done for free without using any external software. Thank you.